Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2006 Chevy Impala that unfortunately had gone into the ditch. As you can see here from the grass and stuff that's still wedged in, it just happened over the weekend and they needed the vehicle inspected as they noticed there was some fluid leaking. We noticed that the transmission oil cooler lines had been damaged due to the lower radiator support getting pushed back when the vehicle went into the ditch. We advised the customer it would need new transcooler lines and that we would also do our best to straighten that lower radiator bracket to get the radiator back into its original position as it should be. We went ahead and performed the work, got the new transcooler lines in. The vehicle is not leaking fluid anymore. We know that it'll be ready to drive down the road once they get the rest of the bodywork repaired. So if you hit the ditch and you're not sure if you got an issue, it's always better to have that checked out sooner than later. Please feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to get your vehicle in and give you a free estimate. My name is Dan. I look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.